What up guys? I'm just going to do a real quick velocity test with some 22 long rifle Aguila Supermaximum rounds. So these are supposed to be some super fast, smoking hot 22 LR rounds. Although they are only 30 grains, so they're a little bit smaller than the average 40 grain 22 round. But we're going to see just how fast these shoot at today out of a 5-inch barreled revolver and a Ruger 1022 with an 18-inch barrel. Okay, first we'll just see what these Super Maximums register at out of our 5-inch barreled revolver with the Caldwell Ballistic Precision Chronograph, which will only be about 2 feet from the muzzle. 1286, 1298, 1381, 1353, so that's a pretty big spread at the end there, about 1250 to 1350. Pretty crazy. Let's see what the 1022 comes in at. 1761. Dang, big increase from that longer barrel. 1739. 1769. 1766. And 1716. So more than a 400 feet per second increase, possibly even 500 feet per second from the 1022 versus that 5-inch barreled revolver. Let's pop a soda can with one of these real quick and just see how effective it is moving along at 1700 feet per second. Alright, Aguila Supermaximum, 1750 feet per second. Let's see what it'll do to a soda can. Whoa! Jeez. Whoa! Jeez. That's honestly a bit more than I was expecting. Let's try this new target, a soda bottle. Not as cool as the can, but still pretty effective. Now that is one wicked 22 round. Here's part of our can. And there's another chunk of it over there. So that's what that Aguila 30 grain Super Maximum did to our soda can. Honestly, I did not think a 22 could be this effective. That's just incredible. Annihilated that can. Alright guys, that's it for this 22 long rifle Aguila Super Maximum video. And it was pretty cool, the can at the end. I was completely surprised with those results. It just annihilated that can. So if there's anything else you guys want to see, just make sure to let me know. Or if you want to see anything specifically done with these Aguila Super Maximum rounds, just toss me a comment. I'll see what I can do. And until next time, thanks for watching.